国际上要紧来关心冰岛火山，为去年12月份到今，已经喷发第4届。之前为着减少灾害做的人工造冰，会当把岩浆引导去其他的所在，看来确实有发挥作用。这个岩浆并无影响到重要的基础设施。
西南部一个火山岩浆为一条长3公里的泥棚当中喷出来，这泥棚甲2月时阵，也就是顶一摆喷发的位大小拢差不偌济。
The eruption was quite well energetic, we could say. There was a lot of material coming out, more than in the previous eruption. So lava was flowing quite fast. Most of the flow is going east of the town towards the sea. So it looks like the barriers are really doing the job they were designed for.
17中昼岩浆流出卡登河附近机场运作正常，有名旅游景点南湖温泉是关起来。迄一天进前，岩浆流过，离附近渔村格林达回客就数百公尺。这渔村人口差不多4000人，分别伫去年11月甲今年2月火山爆发的时阵撤离。根据冰岛国家广播公司的报道，外居民前一阵才转来，即马阁爱离开，真正外国游客拢无咧惊。
To be honest, I wasn't scared or anything. They handled it very, very well. No one seemed out of control or crying or anything.
十月尾海冰岛火山喷发，也是去年11月以来第4摆。过2摆进前，当局观测了后示警，首都雷克雅维克南平的雷克雅内斯半岛就被火山爆发。当局进前建设人造障碍来避免严重摧毁道路甲光线。今年2月火山爆发，导致2万多人无续去通乡。公司新闻，文玲报道。